Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to make a guess game in Python. So it will be a very simple game. In this computer has guessed a number and you have to guess the number what it is. So let's check this out how it's going to be. So let's enter a guess, and in this game we have only 3 guesses, so like 2, so it's very low. So 5, it's still low. 8, and see, only 3 chance and we are out of guess and we lose, and that's how we are going to do. So let's get started. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to import a random library from Python for Python. So first of all, let's understand this random. So like random dot random, okay. And if I now print this a, and if I run this, sorry, print, it will be int like that. And now let me run it again. It's showing 0.613. So right here what it's doing, it getting us a random number from 0 and 1. So now if I run again, see 0.650674 and 0.88, and we can also get a random integer from between 1 to 10 also, or 1 to 100 also. Let's try with 1 to 100. See 14, 87 and 81, so like that. So let's get to our so hope you understand this random thing. So now let's get start to our thing, to our guess game. So I'm going to name this function guess, and like this, let me put this down, and I'm going to name it x. So like this. So in this I'm going to define two things, like first random number, and it will be going to be random dot rand sorry random dot random integer, like this. And this going to will be between 1 and x, the value we are going to put in this. And other thing will be is equal to guess, and that will be equal to 0. So I will talk about that why I'm putting this is equal to 0. So now I am going to make a while loop, because we have to loop again for our input. So till if our guess is correct. So I'm going to put a condition here. So condition will be guess if not equal to random number. So first of all, in this condition is going to be true, because initially we have put guess are equal to 0. So because our range for the number will be 1 to x, so what we are going to feed call it when we are going to feed this. So it cannot be one between this, because we have put it equal to 0. So this statement is going to be true, and we are going to loop it over and over again. So let's put our guess equal to integer, then input equal to enter your guess, like this. So now we have put our guess. So now we have to use if statement to check whether it's high or low. So let me first of all put this, and we will talk about that in a minute. Print it's too low, try again, okay. And L, if our guess is greater than random number, then print it's too high, try again. Okay, again. But if we have correct the guess answer, so our guess will be equal to the random number, and we are going to break out of this loop. So right here I'm going to print like, yeah, Congo, you correct, yes, the correct number, like this. So this is how we are going to do this. So let me run this. So let me explain this first of all. So what we are doing here, so I have defined this function. So in this function, first, this is a random number right here. So for computer it's going to be a random number between 1 and x. Suppose x is 10, and it will be stored in this. And another is our guess, which is initially equal to 0, because for the then this comes the while loop. Till this condition is true, we are going to loop this thing again and again. So first of all, like, for example, uh, right here, let me put this 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, for example, now let's understand this. So first of all, like, we have guessed a number like 6, and computer has also guessed has a number from 1 to 10, and let it be equal to be 7. So okay, so if we come from this loop, so for example, the computer guessed number was 7 and we have guessed 5. So as you can see, this condition is right here. Random number for computer is 7 and our guess is 5. So we are printing too low, try again. But now if for example we have guessed 9, right here, this condition is going to be true, because as you can see, 7 is less than 9, and it's going to be print it's too high, like, try again. But if we have corrected guess like 7, so it going this condition becomes false, and we are going to break out of this loop, and we are going to print this. So let me try it once more, like this. Guess is equals to, for example, we are guessing between 1 and 10. So let me run this. So let's guess a number like 3. So for in one try it was 3. So yeah, Congo, let me try it one more time. So let's guess some 2. So it was very low. Let me try 5. So it see, 5 was the number. So like this, we want to add like we want to get user only 3 chances, like 3 tries for to guess a number. So for that I am going to add score, that is equal to 3, and then I am going to put this condition, score is not equal to 0, and then I am going to make score less each and every time when we loop this again and again. So, and when we break out of this loop, for example, like when our score is equal to 0, sorry, I have to use if what I am doing. If our score is equal to 0, then we want to print out of guesses you lose. Okay, otherwise we want, for otherwise if we have guessed the correct number in 3 tries, we want to put else if, like this, print, yeah, you have guessed the correct number, like that. Okay, now let me try this. So let's guess a number like 2. It's too high, maybe 1. Say 1 was the number. So like this we have, now let me try it one more time. In this we are going to guess about 3 times. Let 4, hit again, So let me try one more time. Let's 6. It was very low. Maybe 8. Again. So one more time I'm going to guess 4, then 3, then 3. So see, 3 times we are given and it's printing out of guesses you lose. Okay, so that's how you can make a game like this, a guess game in Python. Hope you like it, and I will see you around next time.